So this is us on a canoe in Southampton, Ontario, on Lake Huron. Lake Huron. Lake Huron. Yeah, okay. It says free candy. Yeah, right. I don't know. We're currently scared of the police because Lizzie stole some fudge earlier. I even take off my glasses. Yeah. We feel like you're probably the least seaworthy. Least seaworthy. Yeah. Oh yeah, we can do that. Ow. Your what is? Oh cool. Yeah. To the rope swing on Chiron. Oh yeah, check that rhythm. Conservation officer. Yeah. Oh no! Okay, so I laughed at the conservation officer and now he's coming towards us. Yeah, yeah. Not even slowing down. I think we have to pass port to port, but I'm not sure. If we keep going this quickly, we're literally going to hit him and sink him. That. Okay. Wonder if he's got like a siren.